Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Rise Our Maths Classes. I Priyansh, I welcome all the viewers and subscribers to our channel. In today's video, we are going to know about the chapter metals and non-metals. So let's start discussing on the topic metals and non-metals. So what are metals? So basically you can say that the metals are the substance which loses the electron and forms a positive charge, or we can say that a positive compound, are termed in the categories of metal. Forms positive ions, loses electron. So we are going to categorize in the term metal that it forms a positive ion and loses electrons. Examples we have aluminium, iron, gold and silver. So these are the examples of metals through which we categorize it. Now the second category through which we are going to know that is non-metal. So basically it is the opposite of metal. As you can see that it's having the word non and metal. So it is all opposite categories of metal. So it loses electron, it gains electron. It gains electron and it forms positive charge. Metal forms positive charge, so it forms negative charge. Examples of non-metals: we are having coal. Through the periodic table we have all the gases, that is hydrogen, oxygen, etc. are the examples of non-metal. So through this you can categorize non-metal. And we are having the third category, that is metalloids. So let's see what it is. Now it is the third category, as I told you, metalloids. So what it is? It shows the category of both metal and non-metal. Shows the categories of metal and non-metal both. So we are having in the periodic table, as you can see, that we are having metalloids and metalloids as two common examples. So the whole group of these 28 elements are termed to be as metalloid, as they shows the categories of both metal and non-metal. In simple ways you can say that metals वो होते हैं जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज बनाते हैं, मेटल्स पॉजिटिव चार्ज बनाते हैं, और जो उनका और अपना एक इलेक्ट्रॉन जो होता है वो उसे लूज करते हैं. इट लूजेस इट वन इलेक्ट्रॉन, सो यू कैन कैटेगराइज लाइक दिस आल्सो दैट मेटल्स जो होते हैं वो एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज बनाते हैं, और जो उनके पास एक एक्सेसिव एक बच जाता है जिसको इलेक्ट्रॉन्स भी कहते हैं, जो वो उसको लूज कर देते हैं, मतलब वो दूसरे एलिमेंट्स को दे देते हैं. तो इस टाइप से आप कैटेगराइज कर सकते हैं इसको. वैसे ही नॉन मेटल क्या होता है? नॉन मेटल जो होते हैं वो नेगेटिव चार्ज बनाते हैं और वो गेन करते हैं. मेटल लूज करता है, ये गेन करता है, मतलब जो वो लूज करता है नॉन मेटल उसे ले लेते हैं, आप कह सकते हैं टेक भी कर सकते हैं. और मेटलाइट्स जो होते हैं वो मेटल और नॉन मेटल दोनों की जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होती हैं वो दोनों की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स शो करते हैं. तो मेटलॉइड्स वो एलिमेंट्स होते हैं. सो we have completed the basic knowledge about all these things: metal, non-metal and metalloids. So we are going to know about the physical properties. What are the physical and chemical properties through which we can categorize it? Now, in metals and non-metals, how we have to differentiate all the things, that how can we differentiate a metal, that how it is different from each other. So there are many ways. We are going to know about physical and chemical properties. First one is physical. Physical properties and chemical properties. Now let us see, मीन्स हम मेटल्स और नॉन मेटल्स को कैसे डिफरेंशिएट, ये कैसे बता सकते हैं कि ये एक दूसरे से अलग है, हाउ दे आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईच अदर. सो हम इनको दो कैटेगरीज, जो कि फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज इनकी जो होती हैं और केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, इस टर्म से हम उन्हें बता रहे हैं कि हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिफरेंशिएट इट, और हम इन्हें कैसे अलग अलग तरीके से बता रहे हैं. सो फर्स्ट, physical properties that we are going to know. I will make a new video for this, for the whole explanation. Till now I am going a quick recap of this chapter, that what we are going to know. So we are going to know about the physical and the chemical properties, their types. That's all in this video. So let's see what it is. Now in this whole chapter we are going to know about some physical properties of metals. So in this video we are going to talk only about the term metals. We are going to know about whole metals. So the physical properties of metal and non-metal are being shown here. So the properties we are going to know in the next video, that is malleability, ductility means ductile, conductor through heat and electricity, lustrous means how lustrous it is, hardness and density, melting and boiling point, and states in the room temperature in the physical appearance. So what is the physical appearance? I would like to tell you. So the physical appearance, like you can see this marker, it is hard, and if we are talking about a eraser, it is soft. So it is the physical properties of marker that it is hard, and the physical property of eraser will be that it is soft. So in this we are going to know about the physical appearance or the physical properties of metals, and next one is the chemical properties, means it is acid or base. So the previous chapter, acid, base and salt, is linked through this chapter. Means the chemical properties in which we are going to know that it is acid, base, or it is not in salt, it is just acid and base in the chemical reaction. Like let's take an example of NaSO4. In this, Na is being formed with SO4. It is found also in the solid states, and it is a metal. Means sodium is a metal, we can say, and it is acidic in nature. you can say like this also. So this is whole about the chapter that we are going to know. If you like this video, please like this and share it to your friends. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to all notifications so that you can get a quick notification of our latest updates. So for this, thank you and have a wonderful day.